and welcome to the Sanctuary of Satisfaction live halftime. Bears quick recipes, my Thanksgiving Day leftovers. A sausage. This is going to be your new favorite way to enjoy your Thanksgiving Day leftovers. Oh, God, my wife just bought me a bloody. My wife makes the best Bloody Marys. Smoked olives, smoked pickles. These are the best. Thank you, Doc. We take our sausage and we split it in half. This is the leftover split. We're out of turkey, so the one thing that a priest, the Chicago Bears, and the New York Jets have in common is they can all make millions of people stand up and yell, Jesus Christ! Did you guys see that field goal there? That was insane. Legatron, Bears will come back. We will win this game. Trevor Simeon's going to show everybody what's up. All right, I'm going to get a good drink out of there. Smoked sausage, stuffing, mashed potatoes, a scoop. I know, this is the most legendary way to use your Thanksgiving Day leftovers. Corn casserole, use the campfire candy in it. Freaking amazing. Put it right here. Now look at that. We have a sausage, stuffing, mashed potatoes, and corn casserole. This is one of the most legendary ways to use your Thanksgiving Day leftovers. I'm more of a gravy on my mashed potatoes kind of guy, and then some on my stuffing. Definitely not going to be putting the gravy on my corn casserole. This is the leftover split. I'm gonna hit it. TD's Room Barbecue Spicy Carne Sutra, the link down there at the bottom. I'm just gonna hit it with a little bit of the spicy Carne Sutra. Check this out. How's it going? Safe word. Yes, make sure you choose your safe word before practicing the art of spicy Carne Sutra. It's pineapple cookies here. Shoot, I guess I forgot a fork. I got my knife here. Gonna cut me off a piece. My sausage in there. There you go. Leftover Thanksgiving Day split. Damn. That is bomb. The leftover split. This is where it's at. We got corn casserole. Sausage. I wish I'd have had a fork. Should have brought a fork. Another way to level up your Thanksgiving Day leftovers. Oh, now I got a fork. My wife was watching. Just keep digging in here. This is why I love this, because you have the sausage, and then now you have the stuffing. Grab some sausage, mashed potatoes, and the gravy. This is where it's at. You gotta make the Thanksgiving Day splits with your leftover Thanksgiving Day. So I see everybody in here repping their team. That's awesome. Go Browns. Good idea. Go Bears. He says, bring us one. You're going to need someone's leftovers. It's okay. Thanksgiving Day leftovers. You can always make them again. Bloody Mary. The absolute best Bloody Marys. Unbelievable. Oh, damn. I don't know where she got this pickled okra. Freaking awesome. Just as you would like a banana split. Get it on there. And put those TDs in your face. Kathy Deaver, how's it going? But now you need to eat some leftovers. Let's get back to the Bears game. Went down the wrong pipe. Join me live from the Sanctuary of Satisfaction, live every halftime of every Chicago Bears game. Next week, you have a bye. Go Bears, beat the Jets. No Jets, Jets. Bear down, bro. Bear down.